Imagine a manufacturing industry that's set to grow to a staggering $4.55 billion by 2026, thanks to the innovative application of big data analytics. This isn't just a pipe dream, but a reality we're marching towards. The next 18 months promise significant innovation, powered by the increasing amount of data generated from smart sensors and IoT devices. From generating real-time business intelligence to maintaining high-quality standards for safety and compliance, big data analytics are becoming indispensable in the manufacturing sector. However, to effectively harness this data, modern storage and processing tools are a must-have. Big data isn't just a buzzword, it's a competitive advantage that's transforming the manufacturing landscape. Now you may wonder, how can big data analytics create such a significant impact in manufacturing? Here are 6 top use cases. First, let's talk about predictive maintenance. By harnessing historical data and real-time monitoring, manufacturers can anticipate when a machine might break down or need servicing. This foresight allows them to reduce machine downtime and increase machine life, boosting productivity and efficiency. Next up, anomaly detection. Big data isn't just about predicting the future. It's also about understanding the present. By identifying abnormal behavior in machine performance, manufacturers can perform root cause analysis more efficiently, preventing small issues from escalating into major problems. Then we have supply chain management. With the comprehensive view that big data analytics provides, manufacturers can make more informed decisions about their supply chain. This could mean optimizing routes for delivery, managing inventory more effectively, or identifying potential disruptions before they happen. Fourth on the list is demand forecasting. Big data helps predict market demand, enabling manufacturers to adjust their production accordingly. This ensures they're not left with surplus stock or, conversely, unable to meet customer needs. Fifth, we have product lifecycle management, or PLM. Big data provides valuable insights into every stage of a product's lifecycle, from design to disposal. This can help manufacturers improve their products, streamline their processes, and become more sustainable. Finally, there's quality assessment. With big data, manufacturers can maintain high-quality standards for safety and compliance. This not only protects the end consumer, but also safeguards the reputation of the manufacturer. These use cases are just a glimpse into the potential of big data analytics in manufacturing. In a rapidly evolving industry, staying competitive means embracing new technologies like big data analytics. The benefits of harnessing the power of big data are vast and transformative. It's not just about analyzing numbers, it's about leveraging insights to drive actions that can change the game. Imagine competing on factors like speed, consistency, and customer service, not just on price or product features. Big data analytics allows you to do just that by providing real-time business intelligence that enhances your decision-making processes. And let's not forget the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in this equation. These technologies work hand in hand with big data, helping to discover hidden patterns, make accurate predictions, and streamline business processes. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the future of your operations, enabling you to act proactively rather than reactively. But it's not just about the here and now. Embracing big data is about preparing for the future, a future where data-driven decisions are the norm, not the exception. A future where manufacturers operate with maximum efficiency, agility, and customer focus. The future of manufacturing lies in big data analytics. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? If you've enjoyed this insight into big data's role in manufacturing and want to stay updated on the latest industry trends, you're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most relevant and updated information, so why not join our community of passionate professionals? If you found this video helpful, show your love by hitting that like button. And don't just stop there. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on our informative content. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay informed, stay ahead. Thank you for watching.